In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Real Debrid with Stremio, a handy tool for streaming enthusiasts looking to enhance their media experience. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you need to install Stremio, a popular media center application that allows you to watch and organize all your favorite content in one place. Head over to the official Stremio website where you can download the application. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install it onto your device. After the installation, you'll need to create a free account. This step is quite straightforward. Just enter your email, set a password, and you'll be ready to sign in. This account will help you keep track of your settings and offers a more customized experience as you navigate through Stremio. Next, you'll want to create your Real Debrid account. Real Debrid is a multi-hosting service that improves download speeds and provides access to higher quality video sources. Go to the Real Debrid website and sign up for a new account. It's important to note that Real Debrid operates on a subscription model. So once you've signed up, browse their premium plans and choose one that fits your needs. This subscription is crucial as it unlocks the full potential of Real Debrid, providing you with an enhanced streaming experience. Now, let's move on to enhancing your Stremio experience by installing a Real Debrid compatible add-on. Open Stremio and navigate to the add-on section. Here you'll find a variety of add-ons, but for this setup, we're focusing on one called Stremio. This add-on is highly compatible with Real Debrid and will streamline your streaming experience. Click to install the Stremio add-on, and once installed, locate its configuration page. This part is essential as it's where you'll integrate Real Debrid. In the configuration settings of Stremio, you're going to set the Debrid provider to Real Debrid. This action tells the add-on to use Real Debrid services for managing and streaming your content. Now comes the key part. You'll need your Real Debrid API key. Log into your Real Debrid account and locate the API key on your account dashboard. Copy this key carefully as this will link Real Debrid to your Stremio add-on. Return to the add-on configuration page and paste your API key into the designated field. Once pasted, double-check to ensure you've entered it correctly and then click on the Install button to save your configuration. And there you have it. You've now integrated Real Debrid with Stremio, unlocking a world of high-quality streaming options. This setup ensures a smooth and enhanced viewing experience, providing you with the best possible content streams. Thank you for joining me today, and happy streaming!